As you see on the title, today I'm gonna create a digital product that like related to my job is as a brand designer and website builder. So the first part of website, the second part I think is of the website building. So the website building, we're not gonna talk about it today because I will just give you a direction. So the direction is you can use a free version of Framer and free templates of Framer. So, and the second thing, but digital products used today and I will create is something that every brand designer needs, or every graphic designer. So if you are a graphic designer and you want to jump into the branding designer, that's your video. And if you are just a regular or a normal guy who want to create a brand design agency, you can use you can use the advices that I'm gonna see today in this video. So the video will be short so you can get the maximum of information. So the first thing first is I will create a digital product related to my job is branding designer. So in a branding designer, you will not use just the assets, but you will use how to present the assets. So the assets we will present it on a brand guideline or a brand presentations and a brand strategy and proposal. So I'm gonna jump into create and like contains and include all the digital products or digital things that I use in branding design. So the first thing first I use is an invoice and proposal. So to give and include to be a brand designer, you will need a invoice and a proposal to give it to your client so the clients can get an idea about the charges and timeline and everything. So the first thing first, I'm gonna jump to show you my portfolio so you cannot hesitate to if you want to watch me or not. So if we jump up to my portfolio all over Behance, by the way, before we start like the digital product thing, if you are like a business owner and you want a brand designer and or a website designer, I'm here. You can just jump on my inquiry or fill out the form, or if you want to see my portfolio, you can just jump on Behance portfolio and you can see all my works all over Behance. And also I'm 7-time featured on Behance, so if you are a designer or you know about Behance, so you will know that 7-time on Behance featured is something big a little bit. So but the blue one is the big one, by the way. So what I create today is something that I use every day. So it's it's a brand guidelines and templates that I use every day. So for the regular clients, for example, it's $300 to $500. So low ticket clients, I use like something valuable, but at the same time I don't waste my time. So if you want to just like be and work with $300 worth of offers, you can just use my templates that I will talk about today. And it's a brand designer and you want if you want to be a brand designer or become a brand designer, you can become from today without any experience. So all over here is all the templates you will need. So if you see right here the templates, it's on InDesign. So if even you didn't understand anything about this, you can just DM me on Instagram and I will tell you all the advice and record a video for you on how to use this template. Second thing is I will show you, by the way, the template. So everything is here, the design contract. So if if all is done, the proposal is agreed upon, I will provide you with the design contract, so you can fill out the contract with your contractor name and also your client's name. So and they sign it, and design contract is something really gives a great valuable to your brand design agency. And also the second thing, as you see right here, a brand strategy templates and also project presentation and also logo usage guide and also brand guideline. So if you want to get these templates and these digital products, you will just go to my my link right down below. It's 15% off, $44. And also for the people who want to resell this product, you can use it give you all the right to sell it or resell it or rebrand it to your name and resell it. I don't care. So it's just something that I use for small clients or like a regular clients, $300. So you can buy it and use it and or resell it as a digital product. Today I'm gonna make a digital product for brand designers who want to start a brand, and also for digital sellers, digital product sellers. So you can get these templates and resell it. So if you see right here, like I dropped on the product all the files, 10 files, and as you see all the files are on the product, so you can get it. And I take, like, it took me 5 hours to just set up every like design thing. So you can just like open it with InDesign and you can drop everything. So as you see right here, you will see all the things like as a template. You can just drop everything. For example, I will drop a picture from here. Like for example, I will drop a picture. For example, I will drop this gradient, and as you see, it works perfectly. And also if we take this one, also will work perfectly. For example, everything for stationery, you will drop here, like you will drop the business cards, stationery business card also right here. You will use a mock-up, and also for letterhead and envelopes you will use mockups. And if you want mockups, just go to Unblast and you will find free mockups or also free pics. So you can find free mockups. So if you want to get this template, you can just drop and go to links that right down below, your branding design workflow, and you can use it. And for example, if you want to brand it upon your name, you can just go to Streaming and change this logo with your with your logo, and you can get it. And like, congratulations, you will have a brand design formula of how to start a brand design agency from start to finish: invoice, proposal, logo design, logo usage guides, and also brand guidelines, and also offer website designs, and also offer website designs for free. Like if you want to make money, you will like offer $1,000 websites, high ticket products. For example, $1,000 for a website, it's not a high ticket, it's a low ticket, but I will just make sure to understand. My idea is to go to Framer, use the free version of Framer. And also if you want the templates, you can just go to Framer Marketplace. All the links you will find them right down below.